Welcome! In front of me I have Blackview R3 Max watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, a couple things to mention. The first thing to mention is I recommend to check the battery level on your watch, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So make sure it's above 20 or 30%. Next, if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch, you will need to basically pair your watch with a phone via the GloryFit application. So the devices need to be paired together. Okay, and once you made sure that the battery level is higher than 20% and the watch is paired with a phone, we can continue. And now we can open the GloryFit application on the phone, and that is paired with our watch. In the app, you will see the home page. Now we can tap on device icon, and here you should see your R3 Max watch on the top of the device page. Now scroll through this page and find the clear data option. Then tap on it, and as you can see, we need to tap on confirm to start the resetting process. Also worth to mention is that if you start the resetting process, you'll be able to tap on unbind button. So basically, if you don't want the watch to reconnect with your phone automatically after you reset it to factory default settings, you will need to tap on unbind button to disconnect it from your phone. Otherwise, it will reconnect to your phone basically. So tap on confirm, it will start the resetting process. And if you want to unbind it, you can tap on unbind and confirm. And the watch is reset. Oh, never mind, it binded anyway for some reason. So now you can unbind it if you want to. That was weird, but maybe I was too slow. So basically, maybe you need to do it immediately after you start resetting the device. But basically, at this point, the watch has been reset to the factory default settings. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.